Position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Right. Generally, our observation is the hydrogen placed on the first A group above the lithium. Why they kept it here? So, because some common properties are there along with alkali metals. Okay, what are the common properties? First, we will see. The first one is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. What is the configuration of first A? Electronic configuration. What is that? 1s1. In general क्या होता है? ns1. First group का ns1, hydrogen का 1s1. This is the hydrogen. This is the first group. Right. That's right. They make it here. Then second property, electropositivity. Electropositivity. Sir, we know that electron negativity. वो positivity क्या है? Negativity का opposite positivity. The tendency of losing electron. So generally oxidation state is +1. Hydrogen also showing +1. Remaining elements also showing +1. Easily can lose the electrons. Oxidation number is +1. Then the tendency to react with more electronegative elements like halogens and oxygen. Tendency to react with more electronegative elements. Example, HX forming here. HX like NaX. Okay. KX I can write here like MX. Here M means lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Okay, how the halogens are reacting with metals are reacting with the halogens, similar as well. Not only X, then H2, similar H2 and H2O2 is there. Here Na2O and Na2O2. Then K2O, K2O2. Resemblance means similarity with alkali metals, right? This one. Then mainly for these three properties and some other properties. Reducing nature. These alkali metals are good reducing elements. What is the reducing element nature? Which is called reducing agent?
Makes reduction.
The substance or element which can oxidize itself or which can donate electrons. So these are all first group elements, always Na is there, Na plus, K plus, like that. Hydrogen also losing electrons, right? So these are also good reducing agent like first group elements. Reducing nature, right? These all properties are resemble with alkali metals, right? And some different properties are there. Okay, ये तो similar properties. What are the different properties along with alkali metals? Okay, now different properties. देखो different ये तो ये है. These सब first group elements are metals. ठीक है. Hydrogen is non-metal, but first group elements. Hydrogen is non-metal, but all first group elements are metals. One property difference. Then second property is hydrogen is diatomic, but sodium and these all are only monoatomic. Sodium, potassium, these are monoatomic. Okay, metal, non-metal, diatomic, monoatomic. Then electron negativity. Electron negativity, comparatively these sodium, potassium, hydrogen is more electronegative element. More electronegative. Almost that electron negativity in the series of halogen, almost we can keep it in the halogens, right? These are the completely different properties. Understood? You can note down this. Hydrogen, it depends. Hydrogen ionization energy is more than alkali metals. Hydrogen ionization energy. Hydrogen ionization energy is higher than first group ionization energy. First group ionization energy. Then this is the third point. Hoga. Next, fourth point is with halogens, this hydrogen is forming covalent bonds, but first group elements are forming ionic bonds. Okay. So with X means here halogen. With halogens, hydrogen form covalent bonds, but first group forming ionic bonds. This is the main differences. Next, resemblance with halogens. Abhi tak we discussed resemblance with alkali metals, right? How it is similar to halogens? See here, halogens, general symbol is X. I am taking a fluorine, right? Fluorine, after taking one electron, forming F minus, fluoride ion. This fluoride ion is equal to inert gas configuration. Inert gas. Okay, this is the inert gas configuration, right? If you take a hydrogen, after taking one electron, forming hydride ion, the hydride ion is equal to helium. This one is equal to neon configuration. It is helium configuration. Helium again inert gas. Right? So completely filled the shell. After taking one electron, the shell is completely filled. Here also completely filled. Forming inert gas configuration. Okay, so this is the one reason. So after taking one electron, it is forming inert gas, or we can say with comparison of inert gas configuration, one electron deficient. With comparison of inert gas configuration, one electron deficient. So here 2 points giving same meaning. Right, this is the one thing. Then ionization energy. It is more ionization energy. Of course, we know that halogens ionization energy is more. We know that the periodic table left to right increasing. What is this? Ionization energy. Hydrogen ionization energy also more. Not like exactly halogens, but almost a group में set हो जाएगा. वही relation. Suppose इसका तो 1200 है तो ये इसका 1800 होगा. Some variation is there, but almost nearest values. Next, that is ionization energy values. Higher. Next, electron negativity. So hydrogen, it will take the electron also. Hydrogen taking electron and forming hydride ion. Cl taking one electron forming Cl minus. Both are taking electrons. Okay, so electron negativity actually क्या होता है? The suppose aluminum hydride is there. Aluminum and hydride is there. The bond pair electron, the tendency to attract the bond pair electron, that is the electron negativity actually. Okay, suppose here aluminum and boron is there. So in this case, a hydrogen is near to the electron pair is near to the hydrogen. ये तो middle है exactly. So electron pair is like this. So here hydrogen is -1, aluminum is total is +3. Okay. In the last time in the redox reaction also we did some questions BH3. In the BH3, what about boron oxidation number or hydrogen oxidation number? Okay, one question was there. So in that, hydrogen is -1. Hydrogen is -1, so boron is +3. Okay. Why electron negativity is different? So electron negativity is more. Electron negativity is more. To whom? Hydrogen. Right? Next. Liberation at anode. Liberation at anode. See, suppose if you are taking, I am taking NaCl. I am taking NaCl. Okay, in the NaCl aqueous solution. I am taking here anode and cathode. Do you know the anode and cathode means? Anode and cathode. See, anode means battery positive terminal, battery negative terminal is cathode. So electrolysis going on. So here Na plus is there and Cl minus is there. Now Cl minus is called anion and this one is called cation. Okay? Cation and anion. This negative charged particle is moving towards positive charged electrode. Anion goes to anode, getting oxidation. Getting oxidation. See, Cl minus is going to anode, losing electron, क्योंकि तो opposite charge था, losing electron and forming Cl2. Losing one electron. Otherwise, you can write 2 Cl minus and 2 electrons. Right. Hydride. I am taking here sodium chloride. Right. If I am taking sodium hydride, okay, in sodium hydride case mein, what will happen? Similarly, wherever chlorine is liberating, there hydrogen will be liberated. Okay, Na plus H minus. Okay, then electrolysis. Electrolysis. What is this? Positive, positive, positive. Right. This H minus going to anode and losing electron and forming H2. So H2 is liberating where? At anode. See, in the first example, NaCl mein chlorine is liberating at anode. In the second example, NaH mein hydrogen is liberating at anode. That means chlorine and hydrogen properties are similar. Okay, that is also resembling this. Hydrogen is similar with the halogens. Sir, you given this example. Of course, there is a difference. Next point आएंगे वो इसमें. Difference में वो भी आएगा. ठीक है? अभी just now just keep it aside. Next, diatomic molecule. Similarities we are discussing. Yes, similarities में all halogens are diatomic molecule. H2 also diatomic. इसमें ज़्यादा discussion जरूरत नहीं. Right? Next, oxidation state. Then oxidation state also same explanation. Chlorine and fluorine, bromine all showing negative oxidation state. Hydrogen also taking electron capacity is there, so it is showing -1 oxidation state with more electropositive elements. More electropositive elements. So oxidation state over. Next, non-metals. All are non-metals. Hydrogen also non-metal. Halogen also non-metal, hydrogen also non-metal. Next, compounds. How the chlorine is reacting with suppose carbon or nitrogen is there. Okay. So this with carbon, how it is forming? CCl4 like that. This hydrogen react with carbon and forming CH4. CCl4, CH4, both are non-polar, tetrahedral, similar. Of course, ये liquid है वो तो solid, gas. Okay, boiling point में variation because of mass. Okay, same type of compounds are formed. Valence, everything is same. So, same type of compounds are formed. These all properties are supporting to hydrogen is similar properties with the halogens. So that's why some scientists they told that hydrogen we can keep it in the 7th group also with the halogens because these many properties are same. Okay, you will note down one by one. I will dictate.